Lose weight by eating more. Are you looking for a way to lose weight without going hungry? Stay with us to discover how you can take off weight by eating more and not less. One of the very best ways to start losing weight is by eating lots of foods that help you to burn fat. Be sure that you never skip meals and instead eat foods that are filled with fiber and foods that contain lots of water. Fruits, vegetables, and beans are foods that you can eat a lot of. Just remember to add whole grains and a little dairy to your diet so that you get the proper nutrition. Don't go under 1,200 calories a day or you could slow your metabolism down. Stay away from processed foods and artificial sweeteners. These will only slow down your metabolism, strain your liver, and make you crave more sweets and junk food. Try to drink a gallon of water each day. This may be difficult at first, so just make 128 ounces your daily goal and start with maybe half of that. Eat plenty of fat-burning foods. You can give your metabolism a boost by choosing foods that get the internal fires burning. Some of the very best top fat-burning foods are hot peppers, green tea, coffee, whole grains, grapefruit and other citrus fruits, beans and lentils, lean poultry, fish, apples, berries, almonds, almond butter, and almond milk, eggs, broccoli, spinach. Be sure to exercise each day. You can start with a 15-minute walk or a short yoga session and increase when you can. Follow these tips and you should start feeling more energetic, lose weight, have better health, and stay motivated to make better food choices. And don't forget to like our video.